Okay, today we're gonna be doing legs on legs. We got a couple super fun things for you. One of the things that we're gonna be doing is using a band. It's gonna really attack the outer part of that hip slash glute. So it's gonna go right above those knees. If you don't have one, it's okay. We're just gonna stay low, like into a squat, and you're just gonna step back and forth. You wanna take 3 steps one way, 3 steps the other way. You're just making sure you stay low, chest is tall, back is straight, putting it in the sides of the hips. "20 reps of stepping in and out. Gonna light up that hips, and then make sure you shake it out before I move on to the next exercise. So the next thing we have, sumo squat, feet are wide, toes are out. You're going all the way low. Once you're here, you're inching up and inching down, putting all the weight in the heels. If you can, lift the toes. We're doing everything at 20 reps today, 5 times through, so stretch it out. It's gonna feel it in that peach. Okay, single leg deadlifts, we're gonna work a little bit on stability, so you're gonna put all the weight in your heel. If I'm starting with my right foot, I have the weight in my left. I'm gonna lower as far down as I can, and come back up. My chest is still tall, my shoulders are back, they're not concave forward, so we're rolling them back, keeping them there. Going all the way down as far as you can. Keeping that stability in that right foot. And then we're doing 10 on each side, so switch halfway through. And shake out the legs because that's really going to burn into those hamstrings. If you cannot go that low, it is okay. It's also working on stability, which is really hard for some people, and one leg might be awesome and the other leg might be like not awesome, but it's okay because we'll work towards it. If you have to grab onto something, just make sure you're lightly holding it. You're not putting all of your weight into it because then it takes it out of the hamstring. Okay, so 2 different ways to do this one. You can grab a ball, you can grab whatever if you're doing this around the house. There's 2 different ways to do it. That first one, your feet are separated about shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit more. All the weight is in your heels. You're taking your hips as far back as you can, about 90 degrees of those legs. And then option 1, tossing it in the air and catching it. Option 2, just taking the hands up and over. So you have 2 different ways to do it. Or you're right here, just up and over. High intensity interval training, it's going to get that heart rate up. Make sure you're just breathing, taking about 30 seconds, and we'll hit the next exercise for 20 reps. Alright, so we're doing step ups. We're making sure that our whole entire foot is like in the middle or at least planted on the box. And what all you're doing is you're stepping all the way up, coming straight, keeping that chest tall, shoulders back, and coming all the way down. You're coming slow on the way down, making sure to put it in that hamstring, not using all that momentum. So slow up and slow down. If you need to get a taller box to make it more difficult, you have that option. If you want to add weights, you have that option. So that foot stays. 10 on each side. And when you do that 10, you're just going to sit. Going to attack those glutes and the part of the area from that glute to hamstring tie-in. So if you're feeling a little sore there, just remember you're keeping that whole entire foot rooted on that box, pressing through the heel of the stepped up to really engage that peach, because we all want a good peach. Alright, so the last thing we have on legs today is going to be walking lunges with a pulse. So you're going to hit that little mini pulse when you're going all the way down. Still again, just that awesome daily reminder, the shoulders back, the chest is tall, stuck that belly button into that spine. You want 90 degrees in those legs, and once you're there, you're hitting that pulse. Alright, we're remembering that today was legs on legs. You're doing 20 reps of everything, 5 rounds through. And then just letting you guys know, if you don't follow me on Instagram and you only follow me on YouTube, it's still the same, Asia J Fitness. Got some fun life stuff on there. My beautiful son is on there. I mean, who doesn't want to see him, right? So, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you later. Hope that you got a really good glute pump today.